Hello everybody, happy Sunday. If you're watching this on a different day, I'm filming it on a Sunday, early morning Sunday. We're gonna play my famous pump and dump, and this is the modified version. This is a great system, guys. Let's go ahead and give this one a shot. And here we go, we're off to the races. Let's go. All right, we got a $5,000 buy-in. You guys can play whatever you can afford to do. And here we go. Okay, we're gonna start off with a 9-point. Once your point's established, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start off with one number. Okay, there we go. Okay, there is a 7. We're gonna lose that. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go to our don't pass now. We're going to do $100. Now you can, if you don't want to do the don't pass, you can lay the 4 or the 10. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's lay the 4. Let's lay the 4 here for $100. This is to come out. Okay, the point will be an 8. Okay, we lost the last one. So we're going to go $60 now on the first bet. Okay, there's a 5. We're going to go 75 on the 5. Okay, we're going to hit an 8, which is the point. So it's a good thing we didn't do the don't pass because we would have lost. Okay, now we're going to be off on the 5 and the 6, and we're going to have our no 4 working. Okay, that will be a 10. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and lay the 10 for 100. And I'm just going to roll with the 5 and the 6. Going to hit a 2. I'm going to put $120. Here, let's use a black chip. $120 on the 8. And I'm going to hit the 8. Okay, I'm going to get paid $140. We'll take 150, we'll give them 10. And pump and dump is designed as soon as you get one hit, everything comes down. Everything comes down once you get your one hit. Okay? So here you go, you're going to just start over. Okay, that's a 4. All right, so we're going to go ahead and lay the 4. No 4 for 100. We're going to put $30 on the 6. Okay, that's a 2. We're going to put $50 on the 5. There's a 6, $35. Everything comes down. Okay, here we go. There's a 5. We're going to go with the 6. There's a 12. No 4. We'll go with $50 on the 9. We hit the 9. That's going to pay 70. 75. We'll give them a nickel. I'm coming down. Okay, I'll leave my no 4 there for now. Okay, there's a 9. I'll do 25 on the 5. Okay, there's an 8. I'll do 30 on the 6. And there's a 7. Okay, I'm going to win $50 for my no 4. I'm going to lose a nickel. Okay, we'll go ahead and leave our no 4 there. And there's a 527. We're going to get 50. I'm going to leave the no 4 there. Okay, that's a 5. I'm going to put 30 on the 6. There's a 5. That's the point. Okay, we're going to be off on the 6. A 9 is the point. We're going to add 50 to the 5. We're going to hit an 8. We're going to add 60 to the 8. We're going to hit a 5. $70. 75, we'll give them a nickel. And we're coming down. Now, since we've been on the no 4 for a very long time, we're going to take it down now. There's a 10. There's our opportunity to go ahead and do our lay right there. $100 on no 10. $30 on the 8. There's an 11. $50 on the 5. And there's a 7. Bad time for the 7. We're going to get back the 5 because of the no 10. And we're going to lose $30. We're going to leave our no 10 there. See if we can spike a 7 on the come out. Okay, there's a 4. So we're going to go ahead and lay the 4 for 100. So we have no 4 and no 10. We're going to go ahead, because we lost the last one, we're going to start off with 60 on the 6. Okay, there's a quick 7, but we make a little bit of money, okay? So we're going to make our money back right here, because we're going to get $100 between the 4 and the 10, $50 each. We lost 60, so we make $40. We'll take 50 and give them 10, and that's treated as a win, and you're going to come down. You're going to come down on everything. Okay, the point is a 5. Okay, we're going to go ahead. We'll lay the no 10, and we'll put 30 on the 8. There's a 5, 2, 7. That's going to be a winner. You're going to get 50. You're going to lose 30. So you're going to get a $20 bill. This is coming down. We'll leave the no 10 up. Okay, there's a 4. Okay, we'll lay the 4. We'll put 30 on the 6. Okay, that's a 10. We're going to lose that 100 on that no 10. I'm going to go ahead and put 200 on no 10. This is $60 now on the 8. Okay, I hit a 9. I'm going to go with 75 now on my 5. Okay, I'm going to get picked off on my no 4, which is the point. I'm going to go with 200 on no 4. Everything is off except for the no 4 and the no 10. Okay, that's a 7. We're going to get $200 right there. That's going to count as a win. We get 100 and 100. So that's 200, which is a lot more than we lost, which means that we are coming down on everything. Always come down and reduce everything, okay? Now what we'll do, we'll stay up on the no 4, but only for 100. Okay, there's a 9 point. We're going to go $30 on a 6. Okay, there's an 8. $50 on a 5. There's a 6. $35. Here, let me give them some change for 100 here. Okay, there's our 35. That causes us to come down. We'll stay up on the no 4. Okay, there's an 8. Okay, we'll go 25 on the 5. Oh, we hit the 5. All right, perfect. That's $35. Come down on the 5. We'll leave our no 4 there. And we hit the 4. So that's bad. Okay, we'll go ahead and put 200 there. And we'll leave it there. Okay, that's an 8. Okay, I'm going to do 60 on the 6. And I hit the 6. First shot for 70. We'll take 100 and give them 30. Coming down. And I'm reducing my no 4 to 100, and we're rolling with that. Okay, there's a 6. Okay, I'm going to go 30 on an 8. Okay, I hit a 10. I'm going to lay the 10, $100. I'm going to put 60 on my 6. There's my 6. $70. 75 for a nickel. Forces us to come down and reset. And we're going to take the no 4 off, and we're going to stick to the no 10. There's a 6. 25 on the 5. And there is a 7. That's a winner. $50 for the no 10. We lose 25. We get to keep a quarter. So we'll take 100 and we'll give them back 75. And we get to keep this 5. All right. So we'll come down on the no 10. Let's see how long we've been playing. We've only been playing for 11 minutes. That's it. 11 minutes. Let's see how we've done in 11 minutes. Okay. All right. So in 11 minutes, there is our $5,000 right there. That's 100, 200, 300, 400, $475 in 11 minutes. How you like those apples? Pump and dump, baby. Pump and dump. Pump and dump. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. Now, what are you waiting for? There's 2 things you got to do. You got to smash the like button to help the channel out. No, there's 3 things you got to do. So you got to smash the like button. Then you got to go to gamblewithjimmy.com, buy the all-in-one craps package or the baccarat training, the total package, the total baccarat package. I got another good customer that just sent me a letter. Congratulations to him. JT in the house. He went to the casino yesterday. He played. He bought the training early in the morning. It's a true story. He bought the training early in the morning. He went to the casino. He turned $200 into $900 or $300 into $1,100, and then he got down to $900 and he left. He did everything he's supposed to do. The letter that he sent me tells me that he knows money management. Anybody can do it. You have to have the discipline. Well, no, that's not true. That's not true. That is definitely not true what I just said. Not everybody can do it. Only the people that are disciplined and treat it like a business and follow the instructions can do it. All right, so the last thing that you got to do is go to the casino, play what you just saw on a craps table, pump and dump, and make yourself some money today. What's so hard about that? I'm going. I'm going to have a nice breakfast, and then I'm going. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, guys. I'm going to eat my breakfast, I'm going to go down to the casino, and I'm going to win money. It's free money. Why would I not go? Peace out, everybody. Don't go until you hit that like button. Also, make sure you guys check out Stock Market Jimmy, okay? Now, my last 2 picks, they weren't really picks. I just gave you guys an update on 2 stocks that are getting absolutely destroyed. They're at their 5-year lows. And, you know, those particular stocks are going to come back, and they'll come back strong eventually. They don't come back. Listen, when you buy stocks that are 5-year lows, it's pretty obvious that the companies are struggling, okay? But when you got companies, for example, like United Healthcare, their stock is way down at the bottom right now. It doesn't just magically come back. But those are the opportunities sometimes where you just buy them and forget about it, and the next thing you know, you've doubled your money, okay? So there's another stock on one of the last videos that I did on my Stock Market Jimmy channel that, yes, it's coming down even more, but you just hang on because it's a solar company, and we desperately need solar-powered, any type of power in the United States. We need as much power as we can get. So the company will be fine. It'll go back to $60 levels. It's only like $35 a share right now. Those are the type of stocks that if you just hold them, things will get better. All right? Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.